This is a little bit of a video on how to do your posters in PosteRazor, and I'm going to do the entire process. And so I'm going to make a new file here in Photoshop, and it's going to be 36 inches and it's 24 inches tall because it's horizontal. I'm going to keep it at 150 because I don't want it to be too heavy. I'm going to go to Create. I'm then going to go to File, and I'm going to go Place and find the image that I'm going to place in. And this is a nice big picture. I'm going to make sure it goes a little bit over the edges. Hit Return. And the other thing that I want to do is go over here and give it a little bit of a levels adjustment because it really needs some white, a little bit of black. And now I'm going to go to my layers and I'm going to flatten it. Okay, and I'm going to save it as a Photoshop document. So save as, poster, save it on my desktop in Photoshop. Okay, beautiful. Now I'm going to close this up. Next thing, I'm going to open up PosteRazor, and I'm going to open up my poster. It's on my desktop. And give it a second for that to load in. Okay, beautiful. So we have, this looks right. You know, it's approximately the right size. We make sure that this is tabloid. That's really, really important. And no borders here. Next. An inch overlapping. Perfect. Next. And here you go. 24 by 36. And so you can see where it's all cut up properly. Fine. And now I'm just going to save this as a poster. Notice that I have Launch PDF after it's saved so I can check it. And this is my Print Me at the Store file on my desktop. And here's my poster. And then just so you can see everything when you're in Acrobat, you can do Command 0, and then that's all the little pieces. And you can see that it has overlap. So this little part here on the left-hand side, you can see it's the same little part here that's on this side. So that here you can see the side of this box here you can see the side of this box here, so that you know you can match up the pieces. And then you take this and print it out, and you know what to do.